Hello guys, how is going? So today I have come up with a new word, and that word is very emphatic, and you can use that word in your daily life. It will be widely used. So what is that word? So let's start with that. So here is the new word, and the new word is prefer. So prefer is verb, and what is the meaning of that word prefer? Liking. If you are liking something more than the others. For example, I prefer milk to tea. I prefer वेज टू नॉन वेज. राइट, इन हिंदी मैं चाय से ज़्यादा दूध पसंद करता हूँ. राइट, मैं नॉन वेज से ज़्यादा वेज पसंद करता हूँ. राइट, सो मैं दिल्ली से ज़्यादा बेंगलोर पसंद करता हूँ. आई प्रेफर बेंगलोर टू दिल्ली. राइट, मैं रश्मि से ज़्यादा अदिति को पसंद करता हूँ. सो आई प्रेफर अदिति टू रश्मि. राइट, मैं मोहन से ज़्यादा सोहन को पसंद करता हूँ. सो आई प्रेफर सोहन टू मोहन. राइट, सो इन दिस सेंस आई हैव टू यूज दिस वर्ड प्रेफर. राइट, it will be widely used in many aspects. You can use this word prefer. Right, and what is the sentence formation? What is the structure of the sentence? For example, if I am taking one example, वह कॉफ़ी से ज़्यादा ग्रीन टी पसंद करती है. She prefers green tea to coffee. So here she is the subject, then prefer, right, then noun, then to, or again noun. So this will be the sentence formation, and you have to keep in your mind, you have to always use to with prefer, not than. You have not to use prefer than, you have to use prefer to. So you have to keep it in your mind. Now what is the second formation? If verbs are there, then how I have to use prefer? For example, मैं तैरने से ज़्यादा टहलना पसंद करता हूँ. So I prefer walking to swimming. राइट, मैं खाने से ज़्यादा पीना पसंद करता हूँ. सो आई प्रेफर ड्रिंकिंग टू ईटिंग. राइट, सो इन दिस सेंस आई हैव टू यूज दिस प्रेफर, सेकेंड फॉर्मेशन. एंड व्हाट इज दिस सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन फॉर दिस? व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर? सेम, सब्जेक्ट, राइट, देन प्रेफर, then V4. Here the difference is V4 I have to use because verb is there. V4 means we have to put ing at the end of verb, right? Then to and again V4. So this is the second type. So in this sense we have to use prefer. So here is the use of prefer. So this is very emphatic. You can use this in your daily life, and that will make your sentence impressive, right? So in the entire video I will also use Hindi so that you can correlate all the lessons with Hindi, and you can learn all the lessons easily because our native language is Hindi. So you can easily correlate with that, right? And then practice again and again, and that will make your statement, your sentence emphatic, right? So okay, in next video I will come up with a new word. Okay, so it is all about the word prefer. So stay happy, stay awesome, and happy learning.
Kiss for you.